Alright, so I tested an image to video AI tool to bring some old pictures from my personal archive to life. And the results made my family emotional because until now, it was impossible for us to see any videos of our relatives when they were young. This little journey was made possible with AliveMoment. And in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about this interesting app. Plus, there's a link in the description if you want to follow along while I talk about my experience creating each vintage photo animation. I'll begin my AliveMoment review with an explanation of how it works. If you click the link in the description, you'll be taken to the AliveMoment homepage where you can get started. The process is pretty straightforward. First, you upload the picture you want to use to create moving memories. Then, pick the style in which the service should animate the photos. AliveMoment offers a few choices, like adding a friendly wave or creating a natural walk. There's also a mystery motion option, which will automatically make the best possible animation that fits your unique pictures. You don't have to write any prompts or do any other complicated procedures requiring technical knowledge. And this means that even your less tech-savvy elderly relatives will be able to use this service to relive old memories and bring photos to life. After a few minutes, AliveMoment will give you what used to be impossible: a video of your grandparents waving at you from their wedding day. And you can adjust the length whether you'd prefer shorter or a longer animation. Of course, all of this wouldn't be possible without first signing up for AliveMoment, so let's briefly touch on that process. The service offers a few subscription options, ranging from 1 week to 2 months. All choices are affordable compared to other image-to-video AI tools, especially when you use the link in the description to grab my exclusive discount code. Each plan comes with credits, also called coins, which you can use to animate pictures. The credits are periodically renewed, and you can also top up your balance when you need to. I recommend the 2-month plan since it offers the best balance between price and coins. I've got some family celebrations coming up, and the most extended AliveMoment subscription gave me enough credits to animate a bunch of photos for my different relatives. The best part is that AliveMoment is not just some one-trick pony that can only animate old photos. One of my favorite features of this service is photo restoration. For example, I used AliveMoment to restore this picture of my grandfather with other relatives. After that, I animated the image with playful motion to make the picture livelier. There are also other creative features that you can play with. For example, I've seen people on Instagram using the winter photo shoot filter to create convincing winter wonderland pictures. I tried it myself to see what Las Vegas would look like with less sunshine and more snow. Then there's Portrait Photo, which creates a brand new portrait from another picture. It's a practical bonus you can use not just for fun, but to create professional-looking photos for your portfolio and LinkedIn profile. Now, on the other hand, if you're not currently job hunting, then you're probably more like me and just want to improve some pictures with your beloved pet. Take a look at how I used AliveMoment to jazz up some pictures of me and JoJo. In conclusion, AliveMoment's a simple but powerful tool that can shine new light on distant memories by helping you restore and animate still photo collections from your personal archive. And it can also add a bit of novelty to your recent pictures with fun effects. And don't forget that the link in the description lets you do so at a fraction of the regular price. That's all for me. Let me know in the comments what you would use this service for. Have fun, and see you later.